Hi guys, it's me again. So, I see Momai few moments ago there on the top of the trees. So when she saw me lying on the hammocks, oh, she knows what she wants. She came and grabbed again my hair. Here, I think this is already a monkey habit doing this. So while I'm enjoying, we make this video before I fall asleep again. My work, being a mom in the house, cooking, washing, cleaning. So here I am lying on my hammock. And when my mama saw me that I already lied on my hammock, she knows already what's going on and she knows what she's gonna do. So she grab again my hair as usual. She's enjoying. I don't know, because even I don't have fleece on my hair. She's just enjoying biting. I think that's only a habit. Agay. Habit of a monkey doing this. So for me, I called it already a hair massage or head massage. Because when Momai do like this, I feel so sleepy. I feel so sleepy. Most of the time, if Momai did this, I feel sleep. I fall asleep. Yeah, because I feel so good. So yes, we made this second video with Momai. I made this second video with Momai because we want to thank you all for the support who give us 300 views and 100 likes. Yes, guys. Thank you very much. Please keep supporting us. And for the people who not subscriber yet, subscribe my channel, guys. So don't forget also to hit the notification bell. So every time I will send or post a video, you will be updated. Okay? So thank you guys. Happy first day of Bear Months. My gosh. Christmas is coming in town. We smell Christmas already, huh? First day of Bear Month, September 1, 2020. Yes. So Momai, say hi before we go close this video. Momai! Yeah. She heard me. She just get lazy. Yes, she just get lazy to look in the camera. She's just busy doing something. I don't know what she's doing. Getting some. Look, she don't even get anything. But anyway, thank you guys. Thank you. Shout out for all the 100 subscribers. More and more, please. Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.